You have to be in the auto tech class at school, and then on your third year, you're eligible for what's called Transport Practicum. So that's the class I'm in at school. You go there for one period, and then after that first period, you get to leave and go to work.
They're going to learn how to do oil changes on these big engines. They'll assist brake jobs pretty much bumper to bumper. They get to do everything, and they're assigned with a technician. So they've got someone that's got experience that they're kind of under their wing to show them what to do.
I guess I actually come here and learn and get paid for it. And it's important for my future because I get a head start while I'm in school.
It's really nice to be able to be here and work on heavy buses or heavy automobiles, because those type of things can get you into very well-off fields. I have a lot of ASEs from school. ASEs are basically certifications. They're all related to the automotive industry. So there's ones for engine repair, for tires, for AC systems. Being able to pass those tests really proves that you know what you're doing.
It's good for us because we're able to homegrown our own technicians. So that's why we're part of it, because we had, over the years, we probably hired 5 or 6 AYS students after they've graduated high school that still work for us now.
I applied for the interview process, and Cypher luckily gave me a job. Gives me a full-time career, and they've just helped me grow to the person that I am today.
I'm very grateful because not many people get the chance to have this kind of opportunity.
It feels good to be able to at least help out and provide a safe ride to and from school.
I'm grateful to Cypress-Fairbanks not only for the schooling, it's a great school district, but also for this job. So I'm very thankful to be able to get into a job here and get that experience, not only just to have a job, make some money, but also it can give you skills that you can translate into another job later. It looks great on your job application, on your resume, to be able to say that you've worked in a real shop, a real mechanic shop.